student, now we come the second chapter exercise, that our chapter name components of food. Student, we have already discussed about the different types of the components of food, nutrition, okay, and nutrient like the carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, okay. So student, now we will discuss about the question answer of chapter number 2, okay. So student, first given a question, that number A, pick the correct option. Pick the correct option. Number 1, they are the major sources of fats, okay. They are in here given option A, cereals, option B, vegetables, option C, butter and ghee, option D, fruits. So student, question number 1, they are the major sources of fats. So which one the major sources of fats, okay. So student, the fat major source, that butter and ghee. So student, you can write number C, butter and ghee, the main source of fat, okay, butter and ghee, okay student. Then number 2, which of the following is the function of proteins? Student, in here given option A, to supply energy, option B, to make a new cell, option C, to protect from diseases, option D, to absorb nutrients from food, okay. So the correct answer is student option B, to make new cell. Protein help us to make न्यू सेल, ठीक है. प्रोटीन जो होते हैं ये सेल बनाने में हमें हेल्प करते हैं, ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नंबर 3, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिनरल्स कॉजेस ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस इन एडल्ट्स, ठीक है. तो कौन सा जो मिनरल्स है जो कि उसके कॉजेस है, क्या होता है, ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस एक डिजीज है, ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट, इन हियर गिवन ऑप्शन ए कैल्शियम, ऑप्शन बी फास्फोरस, option C chlorine, option D iodine. So student, the main minerals that cause mainly the that insufficient mineral, mainly calcium. Calcium is the right answer. Number 3 A, number 3 A, calcium, okay. So student, you have to tick option A, calcium, okay. To repeat all about your answer, okay. Number 4, it is caused by deficiency of vitamin A, okay. Option A, night blindness, option B, anemia, option C, rickets, and option D, scurvy. So student, deficiency of vitamin A, that may cause the blindness, okay. So night blindness is the correct answer. Night blindness, okay. Number 8, which of the following nutrients are needed only in small quantity in the daily diet, okay. So student, in nutrients there are need in our body. Some of the nutrients like small quantity, mainly the vitamins, okay. So vitamins that are given here in here, proteins, fats, vitamins, carbohydrate. The correct answer is C, the vitamins that needs small quantity in our daily diet. Okay, okay, student. So you have to take vitamins that 6th number. Okay, now we come number B. Fill in the blank. Okay, student, fill in the blanks. Option A. Number 1. Dates provide more energy as compared to carbohydrates. Okay, student, the energy giving nutrients, that is fats. Fats more energy provide as compared to carbohydrate. Okay, fats. Okay, number 2. Deficiency of vitamin D causes a disease known as, okay, the deficiency disease that cause disease known as rickets. ठीक है, जो विटामिन डी से उसके अभाव से उसके जो डिजीज होते हैं उसके डिजीज का नाम है रिकेट्स. ओके, स्टूडेंट, नंबर 3. एक्सेस प्रोटीन आर आइदर ब्रोकन डाउन और एक्सक्रीटेड एज. प्रोटीन होते हैं तो वो ब्रेक डाउन होके जो वेस्ट मटेरियल फॉर्म में निकल जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो से होते हैं तो कौन सा फॉर्म में निकलते हैं? यूरिया फॉर्म में. ओके, नंबर 3 यूरिया. यूरिया फॉर्म में जो एक्सक्रीट हो जाते हैं. ओके, नंबर 4. दैट्स हेल्प आवर बॉडी टू एब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम फूड. ठीक है, कौन सा जो है हमारे बॉडी से न्यूट्रिएंट्स, फूड से न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब करता है. ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट, द वाटर हेल्प आवर बॉडी टू एब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम फूड. ओके, number 5. This is the diet which fulfills all the requirements of nutrients of our body. Okay, so student, the amount of food that mainly include all of the components like that carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals. Okay, that contain the balanced diet food. Okay, that balanced diet is the diet which fulfills all the requirements of nutrients of our body. Okay, number 5, balanced diet. Okay, student, balanced diet is the diet that fulfills our body requirement. Okay, student, next number. State true or false. Now we come number C. State true and false. Okay. Number 1. Starch is a type of carbohydrate present in food. Okay, student. So starch is the form of carbohydrate, starch and glucose. So the form of carbohydrate that present in food. Yes, statement is correct. True. Okay, student, you have to write true. So another statement that our hair, nails and skin are made up of carbohydrate. No, student, our that incorrect statement because our nail, skin, hair that made of protein, not carbohydrate. Okay, so student, this is false statement. Number 3. Vitamins help in protecting our body against disease. Okay, so some of the disease, there are 5 vitamins that help our body to provide or to develop our body. So student, vitamins help in protecting our body. Yes, against disease. Yes, this statement is correct. True. Number 4, a balanced diet should contain only carbohydrates and vitamins. No, student, balanced diet completely that fulfill our all requirements, that carbohydrate, proteins and vitamins, minerals, all the nutrients are included here. Okay, so student, we can write this is false statements only that given only carbohydrates and vitamins. Okay, so this is false statement. Okay, student, number 3, malnutrition means bad nourishment. Yes, when the child, in case of child, some of the childs were undeveloped, okay, because of lack of nourishment or lack of the food, so that is malnutrition. Okay, the statement is true. So student, malnutrition mainly lack of the vitamins, minerals that cause the child, in case of the 1 to 5th year child, cause the very harmful effect like the sickness. Okay, student, this is your all about your true false. Okay, next, now we come number D, match the columns. Match the columns. Student, here number 1 given carbohydrate, fats, protein, fats, water. Okay, student, in your column 1 and column 2. F. Okay, student, in here option S, ball to food. Okay, B, maintains body temperature. Maintain body temperature. C, provide energy. D, protect delicate organ. E, make hormones. Okay, make hormone. And some vitamins. Okay, student, so carbohydrate that provide energy. Okay, option that number 1 match with provide energy. Okay, carbohydrate provide energy. Okay, so student, number fats that they protect delicate organ. And proteins make hormones and some vitamins. Okay, and roughage adds both to food. Okay, adds both to food. Water maintains body temperature. Okay, student, you have to match all about this. Okay, please student, very short answer type questions. Now we come E number. Okay, student, here is number E. Very short answer. Type questions. Okay, number 1. Name any two sources of carbohydrates. Okay, student. So you can write rice, wheat, bread, some sources of carbohydrate. Okay, rice, wheat. Okay, student. Number 2. Which nutrient present in food provides insulation against cold? Okay, so students, the nutrients present in food that provide insulation against cold. Okay, that is fats. Okay, student, fats that provide the insulation against cold. Okay. Okay, student, number 3. Name any 3 food items rich in protein. Okay, so student, you can write milk, that soybean, pulses. Okay, so student, number 3, name any 3 food items rich in proteins, that milk, soybean, pulses. Okay, student, number 4, name any 3 food items that provide roughage in our diet, that fruits, vegetables, or whole grain. Okay, fruits, vegetables, or whole grain. Okay, number 8, name any 2 deficiency diseases. Okay, anemia and goiter. Okay, so student, anemia and goiter. Okay, student, number 6, what causes obesity? Too much deposition of fats causes obesity. Okay, so student, what causes obesity? Too much, you can write too much deposition of fats causes obesity. Okay, student, this is all about your question number E, very short answer type questions answer. Okay. Okay, student. Now come number F, short answer type questions. Number F, what are nutrients? What is the importance of nutrients? Okay, so student, nutrients that are substances which provide nourishment essential for growth and the maintenance of body are called the nutrients. Okay, student, what is the importance of nutrients? Okay, so you have to write the importance of nutrients. So student, that nutrients get energy and get to get rid of diseases. Okay, number 1, okay, these substances which provide nourishment essential for growth and the maintenance of body are called nutrient. Okay, so student, we can write the what is the importance of nutrients. Okay, so student, maybe the nutrients that protect or give us energy, okay, they are important to get. Okay, they are important to get energy and to get rid of diseases. Okay, student, so this is your number 1. What is nutrient? Okay, and what is the importance of nutrients? Okay, student, the substances which provide nourishment essential for growth and the maintenance of body are called nutrients, and they are important to get energy and to get rid of diseases. Okay, so student, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या है? न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है ये हमारे बॉडी को नरिशमेंट, ठीक है, उसको ग्रोथ करने के लिए, उसको एसेंशियल है फॉर ग्रोथ, हमारे बॉडी के लिए जरूरी है क्या? जो नरिशमेंट है, जिसके पोषण के लिए, ठीक है, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स से हमें मिलता है, एंड द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द बॉडी, और बॉडी को मेंटेनेंस करता है, जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स हम लेंगे उसको बॉडी मेंटेनेंस करता है, आर कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ओके, और इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है? दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट एनर्जी, एनर्जी मिलता है, जो हम लोग न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेने से हमें एनर्जी मिलता है, एंड टू गेट राइट ऑफ डिजीज, और ये डिजीज से हमें दूर रखना. ओके, स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट नंबर 2. Number 2, describe the test to detect the presence of carbohydrates in food. Student, you have to do yourself, you can write page number 15 in the lab activity in your book that aim to test the presence of carbohydrates, starch in food. Okay, and you have to make, or you have to draw the picture of the iodine solution. Okay, so student, in your book number 2 answer, you can write the page number 15. Okay, this is the lab activity. Okay, so student, the practical activities that M of the that require material requirement M to test the presence of carbohydrate in food. ओके, प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटी है और इसे ड्रॉ करना है और इसे लिखना है, ठीक है. एंड मटेरियल रिक्वायर ए स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ food stock to be tested, iodine solution, test tube and Bunsen burner. Okay, so student, that what will produce that procedure. Okay, so the test, the procedure, first you have to write M, material required, then procedure, observation, what will you observe, and lastly you have to write conclusion. Okay, so this is your number 2, that lab activities to test presence of carbohydrate, starch in food. Okay, okay student, this is your number 2. Okay, next number, what will you test the presence of fats in food. Okay, fat. Okay, number 3, next activity, number 3, you have to do, this is also the practical based question. How will you test presence of fats in food? Okay, so you have to do, you can write the M of the experiment, material required, procedure, observation. You can do yourself. Okay, student, M, material requirement, okay, material required, and procedure, observation. This is your practical based questions. Okay, okay student, number 3, next, now we will do number 3. Okay, number 3, why are proteins important to us? Okay, so what is proteins that important, how to protein important for us? Number 3, student, so we can write proteins are important as they have important as they have in building new tissue, helping building new tissue, making hormones, okay, making hormones, fulfillment of energy, a requirement and also for energy, a requirement and also for the growth and development of body parts. Okay student, so you have to write number 4. This is number 4. Okay, why are proteins important to us? So student, proteins are important as they help in building new tissues, making hormones, fulfillment of energy, requirement and also for the growth and development of body parts. Okay student, प्रोटीन जो है वो हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है एज दे हेल्प इन बिल्डिंग न्यू टिश्यूज, ठीक है। टिश्यू सेल से टिश्यू होता है, टिश्यू ये फॉर्मेशन करने में हेल्प करता है, ठीक है, टिश्यू हमारे। और मेकिंग हार्मोन्स, हार्मोन बहुत सारा हार्मोन्स है, ठीक है, ये हार्मोन बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं। एंड फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ एनर्जी, जो एनर्जी चाहिए वो भी ये पूरा करता है। एंड रिक्वायरमेंट एंड आल्सो फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट, प्रोटीन दैट हेल्प अस fully growth and development of our body parts. Okay, this is your number 4. Okay, now we come number 5. Why is it important to include roughage in our diet? Okay, so student, nutrients that are present, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins and roughage. So how the roughage work in our body and why we need a roughage. Okay, number 5, roughage is important in our diet because it helps to retain water, reduce the excess of acidity, helps body to get rid of undigested food and also ensure proper bowel movement. Bowel movement. Okay. So student, how to work the roughage in our body and how to work in our balanced diet. The roughage is important nutrients. So roughage is important in our diet because it helps to retain water, reduce the excess of acidity, helps body to get rid of undigested food and also ensure the proper bowel movement. Okay student, so roughage क्या है? roughage जो important बैलेंस हमारे डाइट, बैलेंस डाइट के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये वाटर और एक्सेस एसिडिटी को रिड्यूस करता है, ठीक है, वाटर फिर से बॉडी में लाने में हेल्प करता है और ये अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड को, ठीक है, हमारे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में ये उसको पास करने के लिए, ठीक है, अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होते हैं उसको रिमूव, वेस्ट मटेरियल को रिमूव करने के लिए, ठीक है, हेल्प करते हैं, ठीक है, प्रॉपर bowel movement. Okay, this is your number F question answer. Now we come long answer type questions. Okay student, long answer type questions you have to do yourself because the answers are very long and the number of points are very larger. Okay student, number G, why it important to maintain the balance of water in our body? Okay, so water is very important for us and daily we lose water in the form of sweat and urine, and severe loss of water soluble minerals from body causes dehydration. So you have to write, student, the blood get thicker in dehydration and therefore it moves more slowly in the body, causing severe pain and cramps in the muscle. Okay, so student, another question, list symptom and diseases caused by the lack of major vitamins in our body. Some of the major vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B and B1, okay, that night blindness, the deficiency disease cause light blindness, vitamin A, and some of the symptoms that dryness of eyes and improper vision, okay, and vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, vitamin C and vitamin D, the important vitamins that, and also vitamin K. So you have to write deficiency disease and symptoms, okay, that the vitamin B1, the very deficiency disease, very, and the symptoms, inflammation of nerve, digestion problems, vitamin B2, that skin disorders and irritation of eyes, inflammation of tongue, vitamin B12, that anemia, that deficiency disease, anemia, and the symptoms like pale skin, lack of stamina and appetite, okay, appetite. And student, vitamin C, the deficiency disease, scurvy, and the symptoms, losing of teeth, slow healing of wounds, weakness, weak bones, joint, that vitamin D cause the rickets disease, deficiency disease. And the vitamin K, the deficiency disease, that hemomorphics, okay, that affect the blood clotting, they mean the coagulation, that men affect the symptoms, that blood clotting. Okay, student, number 3, list the sources, function and deficiency diseases of any 5 minerals. Okay, so student, you have to write 5 minerals: calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, fluorine, and sources where it come from the calcium, phosphorus, irons, that iodine, fluorine. Okay, student, and what is the function of some of these minerals, and what is the deficiency disease that cause, and the lack of the minerals that mainly affect the our body, and different types of disease you have to write properly. Mineral sources, function and deficiency disease. Okay, number 3. And student, number 4, what is balanced diet? Okay, so you have to write the balanced diet, explain the constituents and importance of balanced diet. Okay, so student, you have to write the balanced diet. The definition of balanced diet means fulfills all the requirements of the nutrients in our body. It's called the balanced diet. And the explains the constituent and importance of balanced diet, you already written number 4. Okay, so student, you have to do the balanced diet and their importance. Okay, number 5, how can we achieve good health? Okay, so student, we can achieve good health, some precautions: chew the food well. Food should be cooked in such a way that all the nutrients present, or wash vegetables and fruit first, and fruits we can eaten whole, should not be peeled off. Okay, and repeated washing of rice and pulses, or avoid the drinking water during the meals as it dilute the effect of digestive system. Okay, so this is your long question types. Number G, you have to do yourself. Okay, student, so this is your chapter number 2 exercise complete. Next we will do the next chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.